In this video, we are going to see how to create or open multiple sales window. For example, let's say this scenario. Your shop is crowded. There are 10 customers waiting at the billing counter. There are few customers who has more products and there are few customers who have less than 2 products. So you can check out the less items customer easily by creating an additional sales screen. And also, if you are using the billing software in a restaurant or hotel, there may be 10 tables at your restaurant and you have to individually bill or save those 10 tables separately. So now let's see how to do that. Now click on sales and click on new sale. And now at the top you can see the name of this window is new sales and in bracket it is mentioned as 1. Now at the bottom you can see a button called new sales screen. If you click on new sales screen, and another sales screen will be displayed which will have the number 2. So let's try it. I am clicking on new sales screen and a new sales screen with new sales 2 has been displayed. You can manage individual customers or tables with this method. Now let's say a customer or table here has a product and you can use Alt tab to navigate and you will see the numbers here at the top. So I'm going to go to table 2 here and adding a product. While doing so, table 3 customers has finished their meal or we have to check out another customer now. For that, click on new sales screen again. You can do this from any sales window that you have opened already. And select a customer and select the product and click on save invoice. So the invoice 3 will be saved now and you can close this window. But your invoice 2 and your invoice 1 screen will be remained opened and the items that you have saved will remain here, waiting for you to save the invoice. Now let's save these both. Now you may get a question here. The invoice number, the next invoice number is 5 here, and if you go to new sales 2, the invoice number is 3. Don't worry, the invoice number will be automatically updated when you click save invoice. So pay attention to the invoice number and click on save and see what happens. It has been saved automatically to invoice number 5. And it is ready for you to generate invoice number 6. This is how you handle multiple customers or multiple tables. Hope that helps. Thank you for watching.